Hey guys, so as you know that Snapchat is undoubtedly one of the most used apps when it comes to Gen Z.
That's right.
So if you are an avid Snapchat user and you're looking to step up your Snapchat game, then this is the right video for you. Because in this video, we're gonna be covering the best Snapchat tips, tricks and features that you should definitely know in the year 2024. So that you can become a pro Snapchatter and maintain all of your streaks. So the first feature on the list is that you can create custom stickers directly on Snapchat. Well, most of the Snapchat users use different features and filters to personalize their snaps, and that way creating customized stickers is somewhat forgotten. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can do that. So to do that, first open Snapchat. So here scroll up and here go to the camera roll. And here just select any of the photo that you want as a sticker. Let's pick this one and here tap on this icon. And now tap on this cutout icon. And now here you have to draw your selection. So let's just do that and here tap on done. And here you have the sticker. And now you can put it anywhere, wherever you like. And that way you can create other type of stickers as well. And if you just tap on this icon here and go to the scissor section again, then here you can find all of your created stickers. Alright, next trick is that you can ghost your friends on your Snap Map. So as you know, if you go to the Snap Map, then you can see the location of people around you. And there are many users who value their privacy and don't want their locations to be shared to other people. And that is where the ghost mode comes, which is a very simple and easy Snapchat trick. So it's basically a private mode that will make your location only visible to you. So here, just tap on this map icon. And here we are at the Snap Map and you can see my location. So here just tap on the settings icon and here you'll see the ghost mode option. You just have to turn the ghost mode toggle on and select until turned off, and that way your friends can't see your location, and this way you are protected. Alright, up next is changing Snapchat's username. So as you know, a lot of us created a Snapchat account around 2014 to 2016, and after that we never bothered to change our Snapchat username. But don't worry, because Snapchat allows you to change your username. But keep in mind that it only changes your username once a year. So once you have changed it, then you cannot go back to your old username. So when you are on Snapchat, just tap on your profile icon here and go to settings. And here you'll see the option of username. Just tap on it. And here again tap on change username, and it will show you the prompt that your username can only be changed once a year, and your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future, so that you have to keep in mind. And now just tap on continue, and here you can change your username to whatever you like, and then just tap on next, and then just add your password and tap on confirm. Alright, the next trick is to find your friends' birthdays. So just like any other app, Snapchat also remembers your friends' birthdays. And not only you can see which of your friends on Snapchat have birthdays today, but you can also check recent and upcoming birthdays in all of your list. So here just tap on the chat section here and pick any of your friends' chat. Then tap again on the name. And here you can see the birthday date, that is January 11. And then if you just tap on it, then you can also see more birthdays list as well. Alright, the next trick is to get your lost Snapchat streak back. So Snapstreak is the most prominent reason why most of the people use Snapchat. And as a result, whenever you lose your Snapstreak, that's not a good sight. But don't worry, because now you can regain your Snapstreaks. You can either contact Snapchat support if there's any glitch or you're facing any problem. But apart from this, if your Snapchat streak has gone, then you'll see the lost streak emoji right next to your friend's name. So then you just have to simply tap on the restore emoji and follow on-screen instructions. And that way you can get your lost Snapchat streak back. Now let's talk about sending your camera's photos right as snaps. So I'm sure this must have happened with you, that when you have shared a photo directly from your phone's gallery to your Snapchat friend, only to later know that the photo has been sent as in chat but not as a snap. So open the Snapchat app on your phone and here tap on the magnifying glass icon. Now you have to search camera roll filter here. So here select the first filter that comes when you search, and now you just have to select the photo that you wish to share as a snap. So let's pick this one, and now just simply tap the shutter button here. So now you can share it to any of your friends. Let's do that and share this to this guy, and done. And now if you look back, this has been sent as a snap instead of as a chat. So which is a pretty great thing. So now the next trick that I have is very useful if you are a content creator on Snapchat. So whenever you capture any snap or shoot videos in the director mode in Snapchat, not only you can edit the timeline of your videos in real time, but you can also film using two displays simultaneously. So here at this section, you will see this plus icon. Just tap on it and here you will see many options. And if you look at the bottom, then there's this dual camera option where you can capture with both front and back camera. So just tap on it and here you will see many options for dual camera. There's a vertical layout, then there's a horizontal layout, then there's a cutout version as well, and lastly there's a dual camera picture-in-picture mode. But for now, let's pick this vertical layout where you can record simultaneously with both of the cameras, which is definitely a great feature if you are a content creator, especially who makes food videos, where you want to show the action and also your reaction at the same time. Now the next feature is to draw emojis on snaps. So you already know that you can draw whatever you want on your snap using the pencil icon. But this trick will take your artistry a step further, as along with drawing using just your fingers, you can now use the Snapchat emoji tool to do that. So here first let's record a snap and here tap on the pencil icon and now just tap on the emoji icon. And here just select the emoji that you want to draw on your snap. And now you can draw anything that you want. Let's say I want to write my name, so I can write my name. And just look at this, how cool it looks with the lit emojis. My name is written and it's written Ash King. Alright, so enough about the tips, tricks and the different features. Now let's talk about some cool AI features. So the first AI feature is the dreams feature in Snapchat, where you can basically create AI portraits with dreams, which basically means that you can see yourself and your friends in AI generated images, and that too in a unique way that you've never seen before, just like dreams. So again, just swipe up and tap back and here you'll see this option of dream. Just tap on it and here it will show you to create dreams. So just tap on it and here it will ask you to take a selfie. So let me take my selfie. Now you can also add more photos to improve the quality of your AI selfies if you want. For now, we'll just tap on done. And if you're a male, select this. If you're a female, select this. So let's select this. And now here you just have to tap on new pack. And here you can select the new presets or packs that you really like. And as you can see, we can create 8 dreams for free. So since I like the Mauve Live one, I'm gonna select this. So just tap here and wait for the magic to happen. So that was the weekend plans where we got 8 free AI images and look at how realistic they are. I mean, to be honest, they're more realistic than the Mid-Journey. And these are the other ones. This is best. This is also okay. So this is the Mauve Live version as well. You can see how cool it looks. Now apart from this, there are many other AI features included in the Snapchat app as well, but for that you need to have the subscription of Snapchat Plus. But still you can use my AI chatbot for free in the Snapchat app. And having said that, these were the best features, tips and tricks that I found in the Snapchat app in the year of 2024. Now do let me know in the comment section that which one you liked the most. And of course, if you've reached there, then definitely like this video, share it with your friends and family and to whoever who likes to create Snapstreak. And also don't forget to subscribe to Geekified. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life and let me also enjoy my life because I need to enjoy my life.